let's take a look at some examples. The first question asks us, what number comes right after 6? So I'm going to write some of the numbers that are near 6. And so I could begin, for example, with 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I would know by making my list that I need to go to the 6, and then I need to look to the right and see the neighbor immediately to the right. The next number that comes right after 6 is the number 7. Our next question asks us, what number comes right before 8? So we're going to go to our 8 here in our list, and we want to know what's right before it. So we need to look to the left. The immediate neighbor to the left comes before the 8. So it's the number 7. This next question asks us, what are the next 3 numbers after 12? So remember, with the word next, we're looking to the numbers for the numbers to the right, counting up from 12. The next 3 numbers are the 3 numbers we immediately encounter when we're counting up one at a time. So let's take a look at the numbers after 12. We've got 12, and then 13, and then 14, 15, and 16. Now this is our list of numbers near 12 or after 12, but let's look again at what the question exactly is asking us. What are the next 3 numbers after 12? So we're going to start at the 12, but then we're going to look to the next 3 numbers that we immediately encounter when we're counting up one at a time. So we start at the 12, but here's our first number, the number 13. And then the second number is the number 14, and the third number is the number 15. So when we are asked what are the next 3 numbers after 12, our answer is 13, 14, 15. On our last question here, it asks us, what are the 3, so we're looking for 3 numbers again, but we're looking for the 3 previous numbers before 20. And remember, with the word previous, we're looking to the left. So let's write a list of the numbers as we approach 20. So we could even start with, say, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And it says we want to look before 20. So we're going to start at 20, but we're going to look for the 3 previous answers as we count down from 20, 3 spaces to the left, or 3 numbers to the left, to the immediate neighbors to the left. So again, like we did with the 12, we're going to start with the 20, but our first previous number before 20 is the number 19. Our second previous number before 20 is the number 18. And then our third previous number before 20 is going to be the number 17. So when we are asked what are the 3 previous numbers before 20, our answer is going to be 17, 18, and 19. So it's very important that you remember to find the next number, we count up by 1. To find the previous number, we count down by 1. There will be problems where you will be asked to find the next number by counting up by 2, 3, 4, 5. You will learn how to do those when you watch the videos that teach you how to count by 2 or count by 5, even count by 10, and so on. When you watch them, remember what you've learned about the words next and previous. Do lots of practice for next and previous, and you'll get really good at it.